Jai Sriman Not only that, Samahita Vedavido Brahmana Vrittasammataha Goradhaihi Bharatam Yantam Anujagmuhu Sahasrasaha. There are so many great scholars, yogis, Vedavetas, Vedic scholars, and all those great Brahmanas, thousands of Brahmanas, they all are going along with Bharata in their own vehicles to bring Ramachandra Swami back. Everybody started from Ayodhya to see Ramachandra Swami along with Bharata. All the people have dressed very well, decorated very well, and they are all feeling so happy. Every soldier, every warrior feeling so happy because they are going to see Rama. Prahrushta Mudita Sena. With so much of happiness, all the people, all the soldiers following Bharata. They all reached Srungiberapuram, one of the villages. And there it is Ganga river flowing. Bharata now addressing the entire army along with Mantri, along with ministers and Purohitas, saying that, "Ho Purohitas, for today, let us rest over here. And tomorrow we can cross this Ganga river and then we can go to Rama. Today I am going to be taking a dip in this Ganga Nadi, and also I am going to give tarpanas to my father Dasaratha Maharaju with Ganga Jalam, Aurdhva Deha Nimitardham, for my father to get other worlds and eternal happiness. I am going to do tarpanam in this Ganga river with Ganga Jalam for my father." Then all the ministers and Purohitas, they said, "That is good, that is okay." Then they all arranged entire army to rest over there itself in different places. That Srungiberapuram, that village and entire of that jurisdiction is under the ruling of Guha. Guha has seen such a huge army resting over there. Guha immediately called on his own people and saying to them that, "Look at this army, such a huge army, it is looking like a ocean. I can't even find where does this army starting point and ending point. Such a huge army. But when I see the chariots, the flags on the chariots definitely giving me a knowledge that this entire army belongs to Ikshvaku, the dynasty. Definitely this is Ikshvaku Sainyam. Durbuddhihi Bharataha Swayam." Guha is addressing his own people, saying that definitely Bharata Agataha. Bharata came over here with ill mind, ill thoughts, evil thoughts. He came over here. My dear people, it is for sure this Kaika's son, whatever Kaika is having a mind, thoughts in the mind, evil mind, so also her son also will be having same kind of evil thoughts. So this Bharata definitely is going to either put all of under his custody, take all of us under his custody, or he will kill every one of us. He is now trying to go and kill Rama because Bharata has a long craving to get his kingdom back, so that whenever again Rama comes back, he might probably come and ask for kingdom. That is why this Bharata came here to remove the Rama forever from his happiness. Like this, Guha saying to his people and saying that is why, in order to protect our Ramachandra Swami, let us all get ready. Because Rama is my master, Rama is my friend, Bharta Chaiva, Sakha Chaiva, Ramo Dasaradhir Mama. Rama is everything to me. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.